Alright, so this is what it looks like in the morning right now. A lot of traffic. Heavy snow right now.